assignment problem. Assignment problem in minimum case. Minimum case or minimum cost is always given in question. Assignment problem is solved in 3 steps. First, row reduction. Second, column reduction. And final, make assignment. Now we start solving it. Question. First step is row reduction. For row reduction, we have to select minimum number in each row. These are rows and these are column. Line like this is known as row and line like this is known as column. First step is row reduction. So we have to select minimum number from each row. In first row, 2 is minimum number. In second row, 2 again is minimum number. In third row, 4 is minimum number. In fifth row, in fourth. Now we select minimum element from each row. Now we have to deduct these minimum number from their respective row elements. Like 5 minus 2, because 2 is the minimum number in this row. 5 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 8 minus 2. 7 minus 2, because 2 is the minimum number in this row. So 7 minus 2, 9 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 6 minus 2. In next row, 4 is minimum number. So we deduct 4 in all these elements. 4 minus 4, 6 minus 4, 5 minus 4, 7 minus 4. In next row, 5 is minimum number. So we deduct these number in all these items. 5 minus 5, 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5, 8 minus 5. So we write here. Because our first step is row reduction. 5 minus 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 2 minus 2, 0, 8 minus 2, 6, 7 minus 2, 5, 9 minus 2, 7, 0, 4, 0, 2, 1, 3, 0, 2, 2, 3. This is row reduction. Next step is column reduction. We have to choose minimum number from each column in row reduction. We have to select minimum number from each column in row reduction. Like in this column, 0 is minimum number. In this column, 1 is minimum number. In this column, 0 is minimum. In this column, 3 is minimum. So we have to deduct these minimum number in their respective column. Like 3 minus 0, because 0 is the minimum number. 3 minus 0, because 0 is the minimum number. 5 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. In this column, 1 is minimum number. So we deduct 1 from each element. 1 minus 1, 7 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. In this column, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, because 0 is the minimum number. 1 minus 0, 2 minus 0. In this column, 3 is the minimum number. So we deduct 3 in each element. 6 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 3 minus 3 and 3 minus 3. So we write here 3 minus 0, 3, 6, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 0. Now our column reduction is complete. Next step is make assignment. For making assignment, We copy this table here. 3, 5, 0, 0. Same table. For making assignment, there is a rule. Always make assignment to 0. To 0. 0. First we have to go row wise, then column wise. First we have to go row wise, then column wise. In first row, there is 2 0, so we can't select any 0. Then we move towards next row. There is 1 0, so we make it assignment. In their respective zeros are cut. In this row, there is only 1 0. In this column, there is 1 0, so we cut it. We move in row wise, then we move column wise. First we move row wise, then we move column wise. Column wise there are 2 0, so we can't select any 0. Then we move toward another column. In it there is 1 0, so we make assignment to it. In their respective zeros are cut. There is no 0 in it respectively. So we move again row wise. In it there are 2 0, so we can't make assignment to it. In another row there are again 2 0, so we can't make assignment to it. So we move toward column wise. There are 2 0, so we can't select anyone. There are 2 0 in this column, so we can't select anyone. In this case, preference is given to first. First preference is given to this 0 because it is in first position in all these zeros. So we did cut all the respective 0. In its respective zeros are cut. In this row, there are 1 0. We cut it. And there is also another 0. Cut it. We move towards row wise, then we move towards column wise. So we make assignment to it. We make all assignment to all 0 and to all jobs. J1, job 1 get B, 2 get C, 3 get A, 4 get D. Here we write its value. Value is always given in question. 1 is equal to B. 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 Means 3. 2 C, then 3 A and D. 2 C, then 3 A and D. So we write this value